Hello guys, we got exciting day today in EC car detailing. This 280 SL Mercedes came from 1968. So what we're going to do, luxury package for this vehicle, 5 days literally detail every single day, every single bit by bit literally will be detailed and bring it back. The gloss, shine, the swellness of the paint, we're going resolve everything with this vehicle. Okay, so for the terms of the interior literally we're going to do strip it down, all the dirt, all the skin literally will be treated, and after we preserve it with a leather conditioners, okay, to bring it back and restore it. So in terms of chrome, again, like need to be polished, literally whole car will be done beautifully again and preserve it with a ceramic coating for 4 years. So really looking forward to this project, and see you soon guys. Like, share and subscribe. See you soon.
Once upon a time, when a fool thought he'd find